online reviews. How good are they? Let's be honest. You know, are they really unbiased? Are they fully honest? Are they accurate? Honest answer is, we'll never know. And this is the question that I've been trying to figure out. And the reason for that is, well, as you know, I replaced my troublesome GoPro Hero 10 with a problematic Hero 11, and then I replaced both of them with the DJI ACTION4 and MIC2. And I did that like we all do. Let's be honest, before we buy anything, we all check out reviews, video reviews, written reviews, and I did the same thing before buying the ACTION4 and the MIC2. And everybody was saying the same things. It's great quality, it's superb to use, the audio is amazing, especially with the MIC2. And I've got to admit, I've not been getting these results, and I've been struggling to get anywhere near it. So recently I started reaching out to a few people, especially those with good audio, and the answers that I've been getting back were all pretty much the same thing. It's all about placement. So if you want good vocal audio, say for vlogging like I do, inside the helmet, not too close to the mouth, and have the gains at -12. To be honest, it sits about pretty much on my face with a dead cat just at my nose. And if you want good bike sound or, you know, ambient noise exhaust sound, same settings, and put it in a bag. Well, the results have been what you've seen in the videos that you've watched. You've seen enough to know my audio is very average. So today I went out and I thought, I'm putting some real effort into this to try and achieve what they're doing, solely focusing on bike sound, exhaust sound, and hopefully with very little wind noise. So I got my little waist bag. It has a pocket at the front and it has a pocket in the middle. And to stop the microphone kind of rattling around, I used a little foam wax applicator. So what I did was I clipped the mic, I'll show you quickly, either to the outside like this, or popping it straight in, just to see if one's better than the other, but mainly to stop it rattling around. So I can get this attached again, it's not easy. And what I've done is I've recorded the same clip, just duplicated the clips, and it'll either be with the internal 32-bit float or to the camera. And I've done clips at, say, cruising speed at 60 miles an hour, in town at 30 miles an hour ish, and, you know, accelerating, deaccelerating, and the clips will be either in the front pocket or in the main pocket. But I'll title each clip so you know which one you're looking at. Do me a favour, let me know what you think. Is there one you think's better than the others? And if you're doing something that's different, that works for you, and you're achieving all this great audio, let me know, because it's really starting to do my head in, and I'm now at a point going, it's just going to be what it's going to be, I suppose. But yeah, let me know if you do something different, or if you've got results, just share them. This is what I'm trying to do, is basically point out, don't trust everything you see online, and this is based on my experience, real world results. Right, let's play the videos. Oh, little footnote, no editing whatsoever apart from putting the video together. There is no audio enhancement or reduction, just so you know. that's the first set of clips done. Right, that was the mic inside the foam applicator, and again, let me know what you think. The next set of clips is the mic attached to the outside of the foam applicator inside the main bag. Same thing, 32-bit float, recording to the camera. Let's just get on with it. It's going to be a long video if we keep talking. The next set of clips is the mic inside the foam applicator, inside the main bag, 32-bit float, and recording to camera. Let me know. you've seen all the clips, you've listened to all the audio in the different locations inside the bag, 32-bit float and to the camera. And again, like I said at the start, any suggestions, what do you do? Let me know. I'm always listening here, and if I try something and it works out or doesn't work out, I'll let you know. Right, for a final bonus, just so you can get a good comparison, here is the mic inside the helmet. Gains at -12. Remember, it's right here, there's not a lot of space, and the dead cat's at my nose. It's very average. Have a listen, give me some suggestions on how to make it better. Right folks, I'm going to leave you watching that last bit, and as always, take care. It's been a long day, I'm going for my dinner. I will see you soon. Bye.
And this is at 30 miles an hour-ish. What is it saying? Is it saying any good? Let's do 30 miles an hour. Visor up. 34. Bring it back to the 30. How does it sound? Is it just shite? Or is it alright? And this is at 30 miles an hour-ish. What is it saying? Is it saying any good? Let's do 30 miles an hour. Visor up. 34. Bring it back to the 30. How does it sound? Is it just shite?